sa aming uniforme, kundi dahil sa malatangking estilong pag-atake. Mas lalo kung pinalawak ang aming nasasakupan, kung saan kami nakatapak, andun din ang kapatiran. Mga budel, tinanip, kumalat at dumami, dumating man ng
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy. Good company, everyone. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Okay na. Sige, sabagsak tayo. Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jufair Chapter! Long live Omega Psi Chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all.
Long live!
Long live tayo. Long live! Kailangan talaga yung energies mo na i-warm up ang bawat isa. Once again, good evening, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the much anticipated Alpha Kaparo 53rd Founding Anniversary Celebration. And we are live here at Majestic Hotel near Jufair. We would like to acknowledge our two chapters, the Jufair and the Omega Psi chapter. Palakpakan mo dyan! By the way, my name is Jose Stanley, and I will be your host for tonight's event. And now, I would love to feel everybody's energy and excitement. How about we can start this lovely program with a big round of applause. Parinig naman ang isang malakas na malapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Parang kulang para sa likod, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Lahat tayo, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. We celebrate the 57 years of Alpha Kaparo of our two chapters, the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters. A remarkable journey built on the enduring values of brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service. As we commemorate this milestone, let us honor the vision and dedication of our founders, pioneers, and every member who has contributed to the strengthening of our fraternity through the years. Palakpakan mo dyan! Their commitment has laid the foundation for generations of our step-brons to continue serving with integrity, unity, and respect. May this anniversary inspire us to remain uphold, united, and continue making a positive impact in our communities. Together, let us strengthen the bands of brotherhood, support one another, and carry forward the legacy of Alpha Kaparo with pride and honor. Palakpakan naman kayo ulit. May the next chapters of our journey be marked by greater unity, stronger leadership, and unwavering commitment to our ideals. Happy 53rd Founding Anniversary, Alpha Kaparo! Of the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters, lead by Jufair chapter, we have GS or Grandes Ketron Yeye. Jufair chapter, we also have from the Omega Psi chapter, Christopher Son or GS Christopher Son. Eh, bilaw, palakpakan mo dyan! Isang bagsak ulit tayo. Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jufair chapter! Long live Omega Psi chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all. Long live. So before we dive into the festivities, brothers and sisters, let us acknowledge our distinguished guests for tonight. First of all, let's welcome for His Excellency Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo D. Galiaga of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain. We also have Ms. Annette Avila. We also have the Regional Governor for the Bahrain Local Region of the Fraternal Order of Eagles. That's your fourth architect, Ruben Jr. We also have a representative from Avila Hospital, namely Mr. Faisal Khan, the branch head of Al Hilal Sitra, Mr. Gokul Krishna, marketing head of Al Hilal Sitra branch, and the last, Fatima or Miss Fatima Ladin Mendoza from SSS. Father, Jamester, Atwood, Aradia, our little hope or Olo Bahrain. And now, brothers and sisters, we request everyone to please all rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Let's give it up for Gran Esquetron Yeye from Jufair Chapter. Let's give it a big round.
Long live Alpha Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Amba, Ambassador Gibbs Gadaka sa pag-unlock sa aming invitasyon para dito sa ating 53rd founding anniversary. Pangalawa ang ating mga si Ate Annette na naging inspirasyon namin at siyang laging umatak sa amin kahit sa mga dito sa Bahrain sa pagdating sa serbisyo, tulong sa kapwa OFW, siyang number one na nagano sa amin, nag-inspire. Kasama rin sila Kuya Robert, and the rest also from Al Hilal. I would like to thank also for please coming to our event. And ang masasabi ko lang, una-una, at least maraming salamat na papasalamat kami sa Diyos at nadagdagan na naman yung taon ng aming servisyo para sa AKP. Ang hirap magsalita, di ako sanay na nagsalita. Anyway, ang masasabi ko na maraming salamat sa pagdating ng lahat. Pakikipag-celebrate sa amin ang aming 53rd anniversary at sana yung mag-enjoy tayo lahat sa gabi ito. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much, GS or Gran Esquetron Yeye, Jufair Chapter, for that heartwarming message, a welcoming remarks to all our brotherhood and sisterhood of Alpha Kappa Rho! Palakpakan ulit. And at this point, brothers and sisters, I'm glad also to invite here in front of the stage for the reciting of AKP, All Alpha Kappa Rho Pledge of Loyalty. Let's give it up for Sis Myra Seria Pilates, Jufair Chapter.
And sorority by taking part of the actively in the different activities and by implementing the motto, vision, and mission of this fraternity. I promise that I will give unsparingly of my time and effort in initiating for the realization of the humanitarian projects and service of our God, country, family, school, community, and fraternity. Thank you.
This is Myra from Jufair Chapter, reciting the Pledge of Loyalty. Palakpakan ulit. And now, moving on with the next segment of our program as we celebrate for the Alpha Kappa Rho 53rd founding anniversary celebration of our 2 chapters, the Jufair and Omega Psi chapter. I'm glad and honored to introduce first and foremost His Excellency Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo D. Caliaga of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain. Ambassador Caliaga joined the Philippine Foreign Service in 2000, having previously served as a military officer in the Philippines Army's 1st Scout Ranger Regiment and Defense Intelligence and Security Group from 1991 to 2000. At the Department of Foreign Affairs of Philippines, he served in various capacities, including as Acting Senior Special Assistant at the Office of Undersecretary for Administration, Acting Director for the South America and Regional Multilateral Affairs Division at the Office of American Affairs, Assistant Director for the United States of America Division at the Office of American Affairs, and Principal Assistant at both the Southeast Asia Division and the Pacific Division at the Office of Asia and the Pacific. His overseas assignments include posting in Stockholm, in Sweden, Lisbon, Portugal, Washington DC, and Los Angeles in the United States of America. And without further ado, please help me to welcome here in front, let's get up for Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo Vigaliaga of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain.
Thank you, GSCA, distinguished guests, officers and members of Alpha Kappa Rho, Repair Chapter and other related chapters. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, magandang gabi. It's an honor to be with you this evening as we celebrate the 53rd founding anniversary of Alpha Kappa Rho. This milestone is a testament to your organization's enduring commitment, and this occasion offers a fitting opportunity not only to reflect on your achievements, but also to recognize the friendships, shared experiences, and strong sense of community you have fostered through your brotherhood and through your services to our community as well. Today, perhaps more than ever, the values of unity, camaraderie, and looking after one another are especially important in the Kingdom of Bahrain. As we continue to navigate an uncertain regional environment marked by tensions that have affected the Gulf in recent months, the strength of our Filipino community lies in our ability to remain connected, resilient, and supportive of one another. Organizations such as Alpha Kappa Rho play an important role in fostering solidarity, encouraging volunteerism, and reminding us that no Filipino here in Bahrain should ever feel alone while working and living here. By standing together in times of both celebration and challenge, we not only strengthen our community but also uphold the best values of our nation. I recall during the difficult periods we had, the early months of this year, I've seen many of you, we work together under challenging conditions. I commend each and every one of you, and it was quite an experience. You've been a lot of help. Ito kasi sa embassy, we cannot do everything alone. If we are to serve the community, we have to help one another. That's why the embassy always values the cooperation of our leaders in the Filipino community, and all of you, the organizations that comprise the Filipino community. And like I said, we are here to make sure that our other kababayans do not feel alone here. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And sa bagay, sabi nila, sinabi niya sa background, may background ng military. So kung ano dyan is sa experience natin sa nangyari, we can share that we have shared time together in the trenches, so to speak. So meron tayong pinagsamahan na hindi lang sa saya, pero pinagsamahan din, lalo na yung pinagsamahan habang sa panahon ng pagsubok. At yan ang mas importante, yan yung mas malakas na klaseng pagsamahan. And thank you very much again from everyone on behalf of the Philippine Embassy. So maraming salamat for your all valuable contributions to the community, and of course for the kind invitation to join this meaningful occasion with all of you. As you celebrate this anniversary, may you be reminded the many accomplishments you have already achieved and of the greater contributions you can continue to make together in the years ahead. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Alpha Kappa Rho.
Brothers and sisters, everyone was a once again for His Excellency, Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo Vigaliaga of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain. And now moving on with our next distinguished guest, let's go for Miss Annette Avila.
Wala sa ano ko to. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat sa palagi ninyong pag-iimbita sa amin. Na sana po sa each pagtulong natin sa ating kapwa at sa ating mga humingi ng tulong din, sana po ay pagbigyan natin lahat at ang ating mga kababayan. Alam po din po ang hirap natin dito sa Bahrain at sana po magtulong-tulong po tayong lahat. Nakikita ko po lahat yung mga nandito, ng mga tao na nandiyan na isang tawag lang po ng Philippine Embassy, tawag din po namin lalo na po sa government ng Bahrain. Nandiyan po palagi kayo sa amin. Maraming pong salamat. At saka pinapaalala ko po pala, paki-spread lang po sa 14 sa Friday po. Meron po tayong lingkod kababayan. At saka po nandito po ngayon ang ating SSS. Ano lang po yung inyong mga kaibigan na meron po tayong SSS doon. Yung normal po na gawain natin sa pang-araw-araw na pagpunta niyo sa atin sa Philippine Embassy, yun po ay gagawin natin ulit sa 14. Paki-spread na lang po para po madami din po tao. At alam naman po namin na ang Friday ay pinakamahalaga sa inyo. Baka kailangan nyo din po ng assistance. So, yun lang po yung araw ng inyong day off ng mga kaibigan ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa ACRO at mabuhay po ang mga Pilipino sa bansang Bahrain. Thank you po.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na at ang invitation sa akin ay kakain lang. Hindi masasagot. Sinasabi ko, maraming salamat sa pag-invest sa akin dito at napakalakas ang ACRO. Long live ACRO!
Myself from Alcalá Sutra. Respected His Excellency, thank you for the invitation. Ms. Tara is the one who invited us here. 53rd anniversary of Alpha Kappa Rho. Long live. Nice energy, very good energy. Again, long live.
Hi everyone. Long live. Thank you for the invitation, Mr. Excellency. We are Algila will be there for you all the time. Thank you for the invitation. Long live.
Pagkiyaya mula po sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, ako ay taus-pusong bumabati sa inyong ikaliman po at 3 taon ng pagdiriwang ng inyong anibersaryo. Nawa po ay patuloy kayong gayaan ng ating Panginoon ng lakas at inspirasyon para patuloy na maglingkod sa ating mga minamahal na kababayang Pilipino, gayon din sa ating kapwa-tao. Maraming salamat po at happy anniversary!
Anniversary po sa inyo. Thank you po sa suporta ninyo sa Philippine Embassy at sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Bahrain. Especially po nung sabi niya ba yung during the war, kahit konting kumusta po sa mga kababayan natin, it helps po. Small or big. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po.
Brothers and sisters, na-inspired ba sila sa mga message ng ating mga distinguished guests? Ayun na talaga. Anyway, moving on with the next chapter, next segment, may we invite here in front of the stage GS or Grand Escatron Yeye, Jafir Chapter, and GS or Grand Escatron Christopher Son from Omega Side to do the awarding a certificate of appreciation to all of our distinguished guests. As I call your name to our distinguished guests, please come forward and receive your award, the certificate of appreciation. In joining this momentous occasion, as we celebrate for the 53 years or the 53rd anniversary for Alpha Kappa Rho, Jafir, and Omega Side Chapter of Jafir and Omega Side Chapter. Palakpakan naman dyan! Hospital. We have Mr. Faisal Khan, Grandchild of Adila Citran, together with Mr. Gapul Trisna, the marketing head of Al Hilal Citra branch.
Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Stanley Santos in a grateful recognition and sincere appreciation of your outstanding service at the hosting Alpha Kappa Rho 50th family anniversary.
Long live the fair chopper! Long live Omega Psi chopper! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all! Long live! Maraming salamat for the 53rd anniversary of Alpha Kappa Rho, Jupiter and Omega Psi chapter. But we're gonna take a pause for a while from this entertainment and let us see for the food that we have for our dinner time. And afterwards, we're gonna resume this momentous occasion. But stay tuned and don't go away. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah, this is caldereta, beef
Lucky ticket number 50 po! Pero wala dito sa listahan ko. Pero wala kang nakikita. Hanggang 49 lang. Sino yun?
Sa another paper.
Sa another paper?
Paper.
Dito, naku, nasobra yung ano ng ganito. Hanggang 50, 49 lang din eh.
Sa isang papel.
Wala po, oo, hanggang dito yung ano, 25 lang. Sa likod pa. Nasobra.
Nasaan yung mga papel?
Okay, going once, going twice. Lucky ticket number. It's you. Si speaker na soprano ulit. Over numbering tayo. Oo.
Yan lang daw.
Kasi meron tayo hanggang 49 na green eh.
Sila lang ang nag-registered ba?
Okay. Yung mga wala pa hindi pa na-registered na itong mga number. Okay, ito na talaga siguro. The moment of truth. Lucky ticket number 16, Jack Vincent Landicho. Congratulations! Long live! Take a picture tayo. Oo, picture.
Isinumpa ko, o Pilipino, gagaling ang sugat ngayong nakaraan ng pahiran ko, luha ng puso ay natayo muli ang karangalan mo. O ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang hanggan. Ikaw ang siyang dalangin ko sa Diyos kailan pa man. Kuminang na ang iyong bituin at sumikat ng araw. Ang kalayaan mo'y sinisigaw. Ang bukas ay tanging sa'yo nakaraan. Kayo mang ang kulay mo, dugo't pawis inalay mo. Di ka na maapit ngayon o kailanman. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang hanggan. Dakilang bayan, kapayapaan, ihiling ng mga kamtan. Tulong
It's a momentous occasion for the Alpha Kappa 53rd Calling Anniversary celebration of Jupiter and a Metasite chapter. We will have the presentation coming from GSR Grand Steptron, Jefferson, or Christopherson, and Lao, Omega Psi chapter. Saka muna tayo! Long live Alpha Kappa! Long live Omega Psi chapter! Long live Jupiter chapter! Alright. I-represent ko po sa inyo ngayon yung achievements ng nagawa namin sa chapter namin. So, I humbly represent po ng chapter namin. Actually, na-establish po ito noong February 2026. So, 5 months ago pa lang po kami. So, ito po yung newly born chapter na Bahrain. Under-registered po ng International Ground Council. Next. Yes, next. So, ang naging co-founder ko po dito, si DGS Unity Saudi Arabia, along with the other members, si Advisor Ronnie, si Sole, Rajiar, si Siani, si Linapoy, kami po ang bumuo ng chapter dito. So, unang project namin nagawa noong February, ito po yung nangyari sa hometown ko po sa Iligan City. Nag-donation drive po kami sa Bagyong Basyan. So, nag-abot po kami ng financial needs after break nila. So, along with that, Ramadan, so, during that time, may nangyari pong Iran-US war. So, nabigay din po kami ng mga free food dun sa Budaya Shelter Place. Kung makikita niyo po dito sa mga picture, sa mga screen, sorry kung wala kami dito kumuha. Ayan po. Andyan din po yung sila Ma'am Tonet, at saka yung Philippine Embassy. Andyan po kami nanigay po kami ng abot tulong na gamit sa OWA. Ayan po. Next po namin, yung Easter Sunday, gumawa kami ng mass offering. After that, after ng misa, nagbigay po kami ng free food dun sa mga parishioners natin after ng misa. Along with that, sa Bacolod City Supreme Council, nagabot din po kami ng tulong doon para sa mga blood donors. Para doon sa mga nag-donate ng mga dugo nila, binigyan po sila ng mga grocery packs ng GS doon si Brian Gonzaga Diba. And next on that, ito po ay project ng Bahrain Government Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So nag-work po kami dito sa clean-up drive nila doon sa Budaya, sa beach. Nag-clean up po kami dito. Ayan. At ito po yung biggest project namin nagawa during OFW Repatriation Program. Andito po lahat, ilang araw yata, ilang 1 month or 2 months yata. Maraming salamat po sa Philippine Embassy, kay Ma'am Junet, at tinawag po kami bilang supporter doon para sa mga OFW po na umuwi at binigyan namin sila ng tulong para sa ayos po yung pag-uwi nila sa bansang Pilipinas. At ito rin po, ito yung Balik Eskwela Program 2026. Nabigay po kami ng free school supplies dito sa Laguna. Dito po kay Brad Royal Ortiz. Ito po, bigay po kami dito sa medical mission. Sinamahan namin ng medical mission sa free haircut. Ito rin po, ito yung collaboration project ng Alila Sintra, initiated by the first chapter with Under Project SCA.
support po kami dito para maging successful po yung project nila during this time. Ayan, lastly po, ito po yung sa Filipino Community Volleyball Group. Nagbigay po kami ng suporta para maging successful po yung tournament nila dito. Ayun lamang po, ito po yung naging project namin within 5 months. Simula po naging established po project, yung chapter namin. Maraming salamat po. Long live ang Bro! Long live Omega Psi Chapter!
Long live!
Long live the Psi Chapter! Long live! Okay, maraming salamat nga pala sa lahat ng bumalo. Andito po yung Reserve Excellent Chapter ng Barangay Council. Andito po yung Lady Eagles Class ng Franchi. Maraming salamat po sa pagtalo nyo kay Kuya Tino. At sa lahat po ng pumunta rito kay Project ng Barangay Council ng Naman Chapter. Maraming salamat. Long live!
Our officers, members, to our brothers and sisters, for our two chapters, we have the Jufair and Omega Psi chapter, and may we call on and be here in front of GS or Grand Stephan Yeye from Jufair chapter, and also GS or Grand Stephan Christopher Son from Omega Psi chapter. Let's give them a big round of applause. And may we also invite BGS Kenneth to do the awarding for his chapter. Alright, once again, may we call on GS or Grand Stephan Yeye Jufair chapter and GS or Grand Stephan Christopher Son from the Omega Psi chapter to do the awarding. Kuya, dito na pagkat sila. Alright, we're gonna start with the Jufair chapter. Alright, we're gonna start first from the Omega Psi chapter to be awarded or to be presented by GS Grand Stephan Christopher Son at Ilaw and BGS Kenneth. As I call your name, please proceed here in front and receive your certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly present to Sis Akira Desa Yayon in appreciation of being active. Wala pa. How about for... Alright, to present the award, we have GS Grand Stephan Sir Christopher Son at Milaw, together with BGS Vice Grand Stephan Sir Kenneth. To receive the first award for the certificate of appreciation, we have Sis Rosalina Apoy. Palakpakan mo dyan! We also have... Alright, picture daw muna. Gusto yung picture yata. Picture.
Anong picture? Video to?
Video lang daw siya. How about for another brother or sister we have to receive a certificate of appreciation with that sis, Rollin Sapar.
Omega! Yes na, Omega!
I didn't expect that. Ano ba?
Mas maganda dito, pero mabigat. Yung tama, mali, mabigat.
Alright, congratulations, Sister Rolene. How about for another sister to receive a certificate of appreciation with that, or brother Ronnie Safra? Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Okay. As I call your name, please come forward and receive your award, a certificate of membership presented by GS or Grandes Ketron, GS or Grandes Ketron, Yeye, Ariel, Aligiano, together with BGS Vice Grandes Ketron, Sir Kenneth. Alright, please come forward and receive your certificate, Jubilin Makasohol. We also have June Catemprato, Papapas. How about for Ray Cesar Lasciaseno? How about for Rodrigo Plasidas Jr.? Please come forward. We got also Jonathan Vasquez. Opo. Sunod-sunod na rin. Okay. Please come forward, Myra Seria Pilapes. How about for Mary Rose Taytay? Okay, how about for Irene Talite? We've got also Raquel Balangco Arapis. May video po tayo actually, pero wala na yung picture. Oo. Video meron, pero picture wala. Okay, how about for Roberto Ortiz? Ano pa siya? Oo. Inulit pa siya. Charot! How about for Arnulfo Santa Rosa Villegas? Hindi rin mawawala si Chester J. Villanueva. Ang pinaka-pogi na Junior Chapter. Ito na nga, oo, how about for Brian Rogel or Rohel Garay? Ang macho dancer ng, ng Junior Chapter na pag-utusan lang, ito ba yun? Ayun yung kanina. Ayun po sa Rohel Balico. Macho dancer din, oo, ng Junior Chapter. Okay, Rohel Balico, receive your certificate, ang macho dancer ng Junior Chapter. Kailangan natin magtulala mamaya. Oo. How about for Zara or Sarah Yanson? Please come over here in front.
Sayo daw muna.
Ano tayo? Group photo na tayo for the Jupiter chapter. Meron pa ba, ma'am? Okay. Okay, ano po tayo? From smallest, tama ba? Hanggang sa... Okay po. Sige po. How about for si Smiley? Alright, receive your certificate of membership, Sister Eileen. How about for Ray Cesar?
The reigning queen!
How about for Lester? Lester.
Ranking queen.
How about for Christian?
Huwag pa po yung lapit. Kasi ano, iba yung peke.
Okay. How about for Chester? Lester? Picture daw, oo. How about for Christian?
Baliktad mo na lang.
Christian? Oo.
Hindi ko kasi nagmao, di ba?
Pepsi na. Ikaw na, okay. And now, brothers and sisters, our last awarding to receive the certificate of membership Eh, sabi mo ikaw eh. Oh. And now, the moment we've been waiting for to receive the last award, the certificate of membership from the 5th chapter. Let's get up for Sister Chin! Woo! Ano na kaya? Ano ba sa iyo? Alright, congratulations! Oh, picture daw? Oo.
Picture ang
Certificate of position has certificate is proudly present to host Stanley Santos.
The anniversary of Alpha Kaparo. Cheers! Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Alpha Kaparo!
Alright, once again, long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jupiter chapter! Long live Omega Psi chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all! Long live! Cheers to tayo!
Ay na makisama sa oras ng pinag-idukli ay ating isang buhay ng galas. Ay born and live by life as a great afro. Long live sa lahat ng kapatid. Pag-ibig ko sa Diyos at pamilya, paaralan at upang sinilangan. Maging sa kapatiran na Kaparo, ilalago na aming puso'y di magmamaliw. Ay born and live by life as a great afro. Long live sa lahat ng kapatid. Alpha Kaparo ang aming kapatiran, sa paglipas na panahon ay lumantang. Araw sa amin ka ng kamay nagtilang, di malulubig ng kahit na sinuman. Mula sa puso ang programa ng aming halo, responsable may prinsipyo dignidad. Kapayapaan ang magmamahal na alay sa lahat, pagkaisangin na ang nangiling hangat. Ay born and live by life as a great afro. Long live sa lahat ng kapatid. Pag-asa ang lahat sa kabataan, ang iskeleton ay handang gabayan.
What are the 5 hierarchies of Alpha Kaparo? Another reading question. What are the 5 hierarchies of Alpha Kaparo? In the first, come over here, Ron. Wala na alam.
May question! Sino sasagot?
What are the 5 hierarchies of Alpha Kaparo?
God, family, community, God, country, family.
China lang, basahin.
God, country, family, community, and Alpha Kaparo.
Oh, congratulations! Congratulations po! Receive your prize po? Oo. Receive your prize po, oo. Your prize will be given by Christopher Son, GS Person. Sir, sino po magbibigyan ng prizes? Alright, congratulations po. Next question, trivia question. Next question, who's the junior founder of Alpha Kaparo? Alden Repeat, who is the junior founder of Alpha Kaparo? O, di ba announcer dito po sa harap? Ipapapasa ko na lang yung sagot yung parang answer. Ipapapasa ko na lang. Basta yung sila lang yung willing na sumagot, walang problema. Ang tamang sagot, who's the junior founder of Alpha Kaparo?
Brother Julie Pasacol.
Congratulations! Doon lang. Para ano lang tayo makapag-participate. Ibibigay na lang tayo yung correct answer. Basta mo na lang dito sa akin. Okay, next question. Pero pwede niyo answer muna, answer niyo muna. What is the meaning of Latin phrase, Vincit Omnia Veritas. What is the name of the Latin phrase Vincit Omnia Veritas? Yes, is the meaning of the Latin phrase Vincit Omnia Veritas. Come again?
Truth conquers all.
Come again?
Truth conquers all.
Come again? Congratulations. Okay, third to the last. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth to the last. Fill in the blank. Meron tayong 3 blanks dito na kailangan hulaan. What is the right answer for this? The statement is, fill in the blank, united in building a strong, powerful, and influential Alpha Kaparo and dominate all territories by upholding the true spirit of first blank, second blank, and third blank to all. Yung first word letter starts with letter B.
Actually, ito yung escape from school natin, lahat. So, alalahanin natin ito. United in building a strong, powerful, and influential Alpha Kaparo and dominate all territories by upholding the true spirit of brotherhood, peace, and equality. Long live Alpha Kaparo!
Malakas na ang lista. Malakas yung malakas.
Long live Alpha!
Sir, tanggap mo na yung price mo po, sir. May price mo, sir. Yun ang price po. Claim your price po.
Atin na lang.
Atin na lang kaya natin, ano?
Ayaw mo sa akin, pinako na lang.
Oo.
Ito, uy. Ito ang tinawag ko sa'yo.
Tapos, okay, tayo brothers and sisters. Another question for you. In the 13 doctrines, what does the capital letter O stand for? I'll then repeat. In the 13 doctrines, what does the capital letter O stand for?
Omega.
Oo. Ano daw? Yung
Ayun, sagutin niyo na.
Honor to success until our struggles are grown with victory and glory.
Ayun na,
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Ay, kaya ako.
To complete the sentence, the correct answer on the board, that is the meaning of letter O. Onward to success until our struggles are crowned with victory and glory. Onward to success until our struggles are crowned with victory and glory. Congratulations, PGS Candy.
Ayun natin.
Meron pa ba? Ilan pa po? Ilan pa po?
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang yung question. Tapos yung the rest, papaano na lang natin, papa-ruffle draw.
Hindi, bigyan mo.
Okay, last question. Ay, actually, second to the last.
Isa pang babae kasi.
Sige, second to the last. Meron tayo din
Yung sa akin kanin mo.
okay, next question. Name at least 5 of the 15 founders of Alpha Kaparo.
Go. Grandmother. And Dede Amis. Philip Diman.
Congratulations for getting your prize.
Ayan na kayo mag-quiz. Ayan na, para po na daw.
Okay, last question na po. Para sa may kinalaman dito sa repeat the question. Saan mo ang araw? O, bilang first, bigyan natin ang giveaway prize. O, giveaway na lang. Sino ang next time we got na punta ni Sartan? Sir Christopher Son, gusto mo? Prize daw. Guys, yung gusto lang bilhin ko na dito sa harapan, papabasa ka na lang yung answer. Dali mo para matapos tayo. GR, may prize ka. GR, please mo. GR, ito ang tanong ko sa'yo, saan mo makikita ang araw? Sa lalo ng bata ka man. Yung bagong pasok. Congratulations, GR, in your prize. Tapos meron tayo nakikilang dalawa dito. Ay, marami pa. O sige, raffle draw tayo. Guys, raffle draw na tayo para ma-receive yung ating mga rices dito. 5 kg. O sige na po, Sir Christopher John, son, please join me here. How about for Sir Yeye? Would you like to join me here for the raffle draw?
Raffle draw na ba?
Okay, si BGS. BGS or BGS John Lee. Would you like to join us here for the raffle draw? BGS John Lee, kindly join us for the name. parang bulot-bulot lang tayo ng mga prizes. How about first, sir, our BGS, Kenneth po? Would you like to join po dito? Raffle burn lang po tayo. Meron po tayo nandito ng 6 na prizes dito. 4 na Jasmine Rice 5 kg, at saka yung paper bag. Okay! Sir, please pick pa yung ticket number. Nasaan yung mga pangalan natin? Nasaan yung mga pangalan natin? Nasaan yung mga pangalan natin? Okay, congratulations! Ticket number, lucky ticket number, you got lucky ticket number 55. Sino siya? 55. Wala ako 55. Tapos na po yan, sir. Tapos, pwede tapos po. Gusto tapos. Tapos, ito ka. Sorry. Tapos, lucky ticket number, next lucky ticket number, you got 34. Our 34 is none other than James Atwood. Ay, wala si Sir Father. Okay, lucky ticket number, meron pang chance ikaw. And that is Gil 26. Sis Rolin. Wala siya. Ay, wala rin siya. Oo, umuwi na. Wala rin siya. Wala rin siya, umuwi na. Wala. Ay, congratulations. Next ticket number. Sir, dyan yung sumutulungan. Sir, sumutulungan, sir. Okay, next ticket number we got 45. And that is you, Richard Tandinan. Richard Tandinan. Congratulations. And then, congratulations po, Sir Tandinan. And for our next lucky ticket number, and that is you. Okay, pick up po yung lucky ticket number. Pick up po. Ako na lang. And our next lucky ticket number is you, none other than... 16. Wala po, no? Sir, congratulations po. Sir, kasi po. Number 8. Number 8 is you, Kenneth. Is it the
Thank you.
Okay, next lucky number. Next lucky number. Next lucky number is you. Sino kaya? Number 29. Number 29 is you, Christina Padilla. Wala na, di ba? Wala na. Bigyan ng chance iba na hindi pala nanalo. Okay, ang ating next lucky number ay ikaw at wala ang iba. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Number 36. That is you, Vince. Wala si Vince. Sir Rod. Google on po. Ba't natin pick na number? Padilla po? Nasaan po siya? Padilla? Sino ba yun? Christina Padilla? Opo, dito na po sa harapan po. Please wait sa price po. Meron po si Christina Padilla. Dito price na po. Congratulations po. Ano po, pagkalasan na po ipandili para po dito kayo mawala. Ang susunod na, last na. Number 27. Casey. Congratulations, Casey. Meron si Casey? Casey. Wala. Okay, calling once. Calling twice. Hanggang tatlo na calling. Wala na. Sino Casey? Congratulations.
Ikaw ba?
Yes, of course.
Hanggang pala yun, o.
Ikaw ka rin. Sis, swak tayo sa mundo.
Sige, meron pa ba? Wala na, no? Meron pa isa.
Next down.
Last na lang. Number 23.
Number 23, that is you.
Bigay na sa iba.
That is you, Evangeline. Evangeline, congratulations.
Mang Banji, wala na rin.
Wala na po si Ma'am Evangeline.
Bigay pala kay Kwan.
Closing remarks na tayo, guys. Okay. Closing remarks na tayo.
Last.
Meron pa po ba? Okay.
Kami pa oh.
Kung gusto ko Okay. Next, or the last winner who will draw is you. 44. Siya po ay si Anne Christine Baloy. Anne Christine Baloy. Congratulations po. Okay na kayo.
Hoy, nakakarami na kayo mag-jowa!
Okay, congratulations po.
Ate ko. Sinakop tayo ng
As we officially close this momentous occasion, as we celebrate for the Alpha Cabarro 53rd founding anniversary celebration with our two chapters, the Fair and Omega chapters, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the amazing people, for our officers, sponsors, members, brothers and sisters in gracing this momentous occasion. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili! We would like also to extend our sincerest appreciation for our beautiful decoration from Brother Plasiday. We also have Sister Shini, GS Christopher Son, BGS Sir Kenneth, for this beautiful decoration for tonight. For our venue, the Majestic Hotel, palakpakan naman John. For our organizers, we have the two chapters, the Fair and Omega chapter, palakpakan.